And keep on dreaming because on that dream, you'll always achieve whatever you want in life. Always remember that in everything you do, put God first and He will direct you and crown your efforts with success. Graduates, once again, congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone. Anyone would like to give a message, Miss Mary Ann, to your students? Miss Marites.
Hello, congratulations, everyone. This is not the beginning or end. This is your first career. One thing I want to share to you is just have faith and believe by yourself. And most of all, only God knows everyone. If you fail, there is a success. If there is no opportunity, don't never give up. Just trust God. And God bless everyone.
Thank you so much, Miss Marites. Yes, some of the teachers are a little bit shy, pero nagyaw-yaw na yan sa kanilang mga group messages. Sir Kim, please, what's your ultimate yaw-yaw before we partner this graduation?
Good evening, everyone. Congratulations to everyone for the graduating today. My message to everyone, not for only for my student, no, as in for everyone. Congratulations, guys. This is not the end; this is the beginning. And also, be humble, as I said, no, to our manager. Be humble every time, and don't give up. And of course, everything is possible. Remember that one. And if you do, you will never stop to grow. Good luck, guys. Thank you.